Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you text-to-speech on Roblox and how you're going to activate it. So Roblox text-to-speech is a new beta that you can actually see on their Roblox website, okay? Now Roblox text-to-speech is basically a server that they added, okay? And this text-to-speech server allows you to, actually write some text and it will be converted into speech through AI. So this is a beta server that you can actually join and it's pretty incredible, okay? And it's obviously for all you users out there who just want to have fun around in Roblox. And this text to speech feature is pretty incredible. Definitely use it if you want to get a proper text to speech support. Even the forums at Roblox have given you the privileges to get, the text to speech sequences. So, you can't really turn text to audio in all servers because you don't really get that privilege currently, but you can turn your mic on. Obviously through privacy, you're gonna configure your age and everything, turn off your account restrictions, and then just go to the text to speech server and then use text to speech, write any text, and it's going to be converted into a voice. So basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Synthesia in a very quick way. So Synthesia is basically a generation platform where you can create an AI video using these AI models over here and some texts, okay? And it's totally free, no credit card required. Just sign up with their page, and they give you 140 plus avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and 60 plus pre-designed templates. You can also create your own avatar, but that does take some cost. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look. They're gonna give you a standard avatar. You can add videos over it, and then you can also add text prompts under it. So Synthesia.io, use it right now and get the best free video AI generations. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're going to wait for it to search up and it's going to give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. It is very interesting guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by DALL-E 3, which as you may have guessed is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean. That is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website, you can share, you can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes. So it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it, okay? This is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image, guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two statues of liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? This is kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Media Studio and how you can utilize different projects by simply using the AI image generator from Canva. All you gotta do is to come over here on the apps inside the Canva app, and then you want to scroll down and look for different apps that are currently trending. You can find something that you like, you can find something new, you can find something that is recommended from the app itself, but we are going to look for Magic Media. We're going to use Magic Media because this is the proprietary and it's very fast. It works easily. You will be able to understand exactly how you can generate images, logos, and other projects. So when you come over here, you want to use a brand new design if you don't have an existing one that you want to change. When you click create a new design, we're going to use the AI image generator to create some new social media post. So previously we did some logos, we did some small adjustments, but as you can see over here, you can create a t-shirt design, right? You can sell something. We have a desktop wallpaper. So for example, if we want to create a desktop wallpaper, this simply will change the ratio of our image. So the way how the Magic Media works is that you will have this window where you're going to input your prompt, and then if you scroll down, you can essentially change the layout or the filter or the style of which will apply to your image. Also, if you want to change the aspect ratio to a landscape in our example, simply because it will be a wallpaper, right? You can do it. So create a Hawaii vibe place with infrastructure like New York City. Make the beach in the middle of the city around Times Square. Okay, let's see let's see how this crazy image will look like, guys. But essentially this is how it works. So you're going to get like 4 different versions of this image generated from the AI, and you can pick which one you like. If you don't like any of it, or you want to change something, right, you can simply scroll down and you will have an option. Like for example, I can come over here and we can continue our prompt. We can include more stuff as we like to, right? We can add more details and we can click generate again. This will give us another example. If I click on one of the images and simply make it larger, this is one of the benefits of AI. You probably wonder what is it. The benefit is that even if you make an image large, this will not ruin the quality because this is not a JPEG, right? This is why this is so good, and this is why we really like it. So essentially this is how nice, and if I zoom in, you could see that this looks awesome, right? Can you imagine this really to be true? We have this crazy beach. It reminds me of Chicago, to be honest with you guys. But this is how you can create a wallpaper using Magic Media on Canva AI. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator on Canva. Very easy guys, very simple. The first thing I want to do is come over here at the canva.com. You want to stay on the home page, and when you're over here you want to click on the upper left side of the screen where you see the 3 straight lines. This will launch additional menu, and then you're going to click on the apps. Then you want to click on discover apps. So you want to make sure you browse all the apps over here. So the first thing that we're going to focus is we're going to actually look for the Canva's own proprietary technology app, which will be Magic Media. So in this example, we are going to utilize Magic Media. This is the first icon over here. In this example, we are going to use the AI image generator of Canva's AI. We are going to create a brand new design, and as you can see over here, you have like a pre-made templates for anything that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a story, if you want to create a logo, if you want to create an email newsletter, presentation, anything is here, guys. So for example, if you want to create Instagram post, you have the square option over here. In our example, we're going to create a logo. And the way how this actually works is that when you come over here, you have to type a particular prompt. When you type the prompt, you also have to choose underneath the style of the prompt. So in our example, we are going to create New York City in the space with flying cars and what else, and like connecting roads in the space to other planets. Okay guys, so we pick this one and we're going to select our style. You can just pick something else, right? You don't have to be some of these styles, but you can collect all of these styles. These styles will change the way how the image actually looks like after it's generated. I don't like any of it. You can also have the option see all, so you can pick more styles, but I want to see how the city will look like without the actual filter on top. So as you can see now, the AI generates the image based on our prompt. Usually works pretty fast. As you can see now, we're having the first image already generated, and it looks very cool. The second one, oh look at, yeah, I think this is very nice. So if you click on the image itself, you will see the best thing about AI is that even if you adjust the size of it, right, it's still going to look very cool. It's not gonna reduce the quality as the usual JPEG that you will have. I want you to remember this. Now if you click on the upper side, you can essentially copy, you can paste elements on top of it like a usual Canva project. Remember, this is something that will will find its shape and its form, right? So this is how you change the current aspect ratio, and then you can essentially go back, or you can create another file over here and create a mockup for let's say a collage, right? Let's go back and let's see how the other images actually look, because the main idea was that when you actually utilize Canva Magic Media, right, this is just one tool. Remember, it is very important for you to know exactly what you want to create and to input as many details as possible. The more details you input inside the prompt, the better the output and the results will be. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator inside the Canva app. In the previous videos we went through animation apps, we went through DALL-E, we went through Magic Studio. You want to make sure you watch these videos, guys, so you understand how to use these apps, what kind of results we got. In this example over here, guys, I'm gonna go through Imagen. So this is essentially based on AI software coming from Google. Very interesting. I have a huge hopes about this. I read good things about it. So let's jump in. The first thing that you want to choose is, are you going to create something from scratch like we are planning to do, or you have existing project in Canva app that you can import and start working on it. In our case, we're going to choose a brand new project and we're going to create, I would say something nice photo wallpaper. This sounds cool. Okay, so as you can see over here, turn your text into photorealistic AI, a beautiful oil painting of Bergen. You see what are the results. So let's dive into the prompt itself. Create a painting of Monte Carlo during the winter. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. So Google Imagen will simply give you only two variations. DALL-E will give you two variations. The Magic Studio will give you 4 variations. So the result content does not meet our policy. What is the policy? I don't know. Oil painting of Monaco. Another try. We didn't use any brand, right, guys? We just used the name of the city, Monte Carlo. They thought we're probably talking about the casino Monte Carlo. Okay, guys, we do have some results over here. Wow, look at this one. Let me type for you. So you can always make these pictures larger by simply dragging the corners. I don't like the ratio of the template, right? We have to move it on the side so you'll be able to see, but I think it's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful. Do you see all the details of Monte Carlo? It's beautiful. All the marina and everything. Just think about now if you have like some of these crazy printers that can print like the actual materials, right? They can print with particular like a pronounced design that it could be like you can touch the whole difference in the buildings, right? It's amazing. This is how you can use Imagen from Google, guys. I think this is my second favorite. Let's launch the YouTube. Let's say, for example, you're into politics, okay? I know. Let's say you want to get this video from yesterday's debate, right? And you want to cut this video into 10 small shorts. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to click on the 3 dots under the video, and then we're going to click share. We're going to copy the link, okay? Pay attention, this video it's around 10 minutes long, okay? Now after we copy the link, I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to find this app over here. It's called Opus Pro, okay? It's not Opus AI. I see this, many people making this mistake coming on Opus AI. It's Opus Pro, okay? You want to click on Opus Pro, and this is where you're going to sign up for free, and you're going to paste the link that we just copied. Okay, the main point over here is that they will generate 10 short videos, and they're gonna send you an email when the videos are ready. You don't have to stay on this page at all. So just paste the link, click get clips over here, and they're gonna send you 10 shorts. The shorts will look like this with captions. You can select the styles, and the post, each post will be coming with ranking, ranked from 1 to 10 with the highest chance of getting viral. Okay, number 1 will be the highest chance of the video getting viral, number 10 will be the less likelihood, and they will be coming with small description, right, so you can actually use it. It's very easy, guys. Again, it's free. You will have a certain amount of credits. Okay, so after you run out of credits, then you can opt in for the paid subscription and the other version with unlimited credits. But essentially, this is how you start. Just get your feet wet, see what works for you, what doesn't, and then move on. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go through the Copilot AI assistant from Bing. AI Copilot is simply helping you to analyze and distinguish a very complicated material, studying material that can simply analyze information for you and give you analysis. Let's dive into the actual functions and let's see what is the main point of using the Copilot versus using the Bing Chat AI or using Bing AI or using ChatGPT. So in our example over here, we are going to ask what were the top performing stocks in 2023, excuse me. So now we're sending the algorithm going back through the whole Bing search, try to identify the top performing US stocks. Okay, just look at this. The top performing stocks in 2023 among the companies that trade in the major US exchanges with capitalization of at least $1 billion were Gene Medical International, 3000%, Soleno Therapeutics, okay, Carvana, 1000%, Carvana, my dear friends. Okay, Bridge Bio. Wow, that's amazing, guys. So you see how you can get any financial information, and they also give you a couple of links underneath. How about best performed crypto in 2023? Let's see, can we get some information about the cryptocurrencies as well? It's very interesting. And then, guys, we're going to ask for particular suggestions or predictions. The best performing cryptocurrencies of 2023 with a market cap of at least 300 million were Conflux 700%, guys, Injective 600%, Singularity Net 400%, Render Token, Solana 161, Bitcoin 152, Ripple 127, Compound 126, Autos, Lido. Unbelievable. So guys, here is how you can actually extract financial information very quick with just like a couple of clicks, without the need to spend an hours going through different analysis or trying to find something that is spread within like different blocks, different charts. With 2-3 clicks you get where you're going. Can you tell us what are the market expectations for these stocks and cryptos in 2024? Right now we want to get what Wall Street is saying, what analysts are saying, what advisors are saying. These people are going on CNBC, they're talking, and all this has been left as interview information on the net. So let's see, can Bing actually go out and find this and interface? searching for, okay, market expectations. Doing good. Actually, I would say that now the Copilot is doing very, very well, much better than, asking for a business plan or something of sort of. Okay, now when we ask a very detailed information and using the precise setting on the filter, this is how you get things done, guys. Now the Copilot is extracting the information about what is the market set as a ratings, buy, sell, and they also give us the expectations for the price target. So they're expecting, the highs and the lows. They're expecting, the stock to outperform, beat previous year, or simply reach its peak and converge. So this is something very interesting. This is how you extract majority of the information, guys. I would say this is probably one of the best prompts, the best way to utilize the Copilot so far I've seen. And you know, you need to know exactly which AI tool is doing the best job in what, so you can differentiate your choices when you have a multitasking. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.
Free AI video generator. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a free AI video in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Synthesia in a very quick way. So Synthesia is basically a generation platform where you can create an AI video using these AI models over here and some texts, okay? And it's totally free, no credit card required. Just sign up with their page and they give you 140 plus avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and 60 plus pre-designed templates. You can also create your own avatar, but that does take some cost. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. They're going to give you a standard avatar. You can add videos over it, and then you can also add text prompts under it. So Synthesia.io, use it right now and get the best free video AI generations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make any type of YouTube video in the easiest way using this platform called Pictory AI. So first of all, to start things off, Pictory AI was made for YouTube creators, because Pictory, as it says, uses the AI technology to give you one of the greatest things and elements to improve your video editing and video creation. Now, why do YouTubers actually love picking Pictory? So obviously, you can create a faceless YouTube channel, or you can edit videos of yourself of speaking into a camera. Pictory gives you all the solutions. You get a powerful AI assistant where you can do text to speech, you can do actual, copywriting, you have resizing, and it does not blur the video out. It does not kill the pixels. It has a media library of massive number of elements. There's so many things that you can work with. And then, you can get a text to speech AI with the right voice to give your faceless YouTube channel a big punch. Then it's PC and Mac compatible, so any compatibility works. You can, start from text, paste your scripts, and get a text to speech. You can get recorded videos of yourself. You get customized branding settings, and then you can preview, generate, and share different videos for yourself. So it's really fun to use this, and it's really fun to get your head around these types of features for yourself. Okay, so that's the general idea of using Pictory. And that is how you can create videos on YouTube with Pictory AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALL-E image generator inside the Canva app. It's a little different. We did couple of videos prior, we made couple of examples and case studies. If you're curious, you can see our results. We create a brand image, we create couple of prototypes for products, so you can check out these videos as well. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to create something different. So the first thing, you want to come over here at canva.com and you want to click on apps. Then you want to go over and find DALL-E. So how you're gonna go over here about simply choosing creating something from scratch like we're going to do over here, or using an existing design. If you already had certain projects in Canva, you can simply import them here. Let's click on use a completely new design, and in this example over here, guys, we are going to create Instagram story, and this Instagram story will be different simply because we're going to utilize something that no one expects to see. Remember, Instagram stories are usually something that you have experienced or something that you saw on the street somewhere. It's extraordinary, it's right here, right now happening, okay? So we're going to set a command, create a story image where person walks in the jungle and sees a giant monkey. Make it look like it's a selfie taken image. Pretty complicated script, pretty complicated prompt. Let's see what are the results. The main difference is that DALL-E will only give you 2 variations of the actual creation, while if you use a Magic Studio here on Canva, you're going to get 4. And I think this is hilarious. Okay, so I think people will be clicking on the second one most likely. It's not perfect, it's not amazing. I honestly like more Magic Studio AI. I have made plenty of videos on it. You can guys check it out and see what we actually get out of it. That it's okay, it's not perfect. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use Invideo AI. There is a link pinned in the comments. This is my affiliate link. You can guys use it to sign in, to log in, and to use it to explore the app. There is a free plan that you can actually guys use. So go ahead, and if you're interested, you want to make sure that you learn more about it. Let me give you a brief overview of the app. This is where you're going to come and you're going to log in or create your account. There is 2 options to do it. First of all, we gotta break down that there is a mobile app for Invideo for the iOS, okay, for the iPhones, and there is a desktop version which everyone knows, everyone uses. So when you click on try Invideo AI, this is where you're gonna be prompted to use your Gmail account, your Apple ID, or your Gmail. Okay, you can log in with your Google account as well. So essentially, you want to make sure that before you sign up, you know exactly what are the plans and how Invideo actually works. Let me give you a quick rundown. Okay, first of all is the free plan. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of work with AI generative. Okay, so this will give you 10 minutes. That's it. I know it's very little. That's the free plan, but you're going to get the 10 gigabytes of storage for exports with the watermark of Invideo, of course, and 2.5 million of standard media. So you're not gonna get the iStock, but you're gonna get like a standard media. Pieces of content that probably a lot of people already downloaded, created, and uploaded somewhere else. So it's not gonna be your best shot, but something that you can play, you can see how is it, how does it work, you can practice. The second plan is the plus $20 a month. You're gonna get 50 minutes of AI generative. You're gonna get 80 stock footages, stock content per month. You're gonna get 100 gigs of storage. You're gonna get unlimited exports, and you're gonna get up to 1 user. The last plan is the most expensive, guys. It's $48 a month. This plan gives you 200 minutes of AI generative, and you're gonna get 320 different iStock content pieces. This is gonna be per month again. You're gonna get 400 gigs of storage. You're gonna get unlimited exports, but still you're going to get up to 1 user. So for corporates, for multi-account logins, you gotta contact them. Check out the link in the comment that is pinned, guys, if you are interested and if you want to explore the app. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALL-E inside the Canva app. Very easy, very simple. The first step, of course, will be to log in into your Canva account, and then you have to go to Discover Apps section. When you come over here, guys, you want to click on the filter on the top over here, and you want to filter all the apps with the AI powered. So this will help you to see all the current apps that are using AI and they're producing content based on the AI. So in this example, I'm going to use DALL-E. We made probably 15 different videos yesterday on Magic Studio from AI image generator from Canva. So guys, you want to make sure that you check these videos as well. Let's jump into DALL-E. Let's click on it. The way how DALL-E works inside Canva is that you will have the option to edit already pre-made content, picture, video, or you essentially can create a brand new design over here. For this example, I am going to click new design. So guys, we're going to create a logo with DALL-E, okay? So if you didn't use DALL-E prior, DALL-E is a little different if you if you use the other AI tools, because DALL-E over here doesn't have any additional filters. So everything what you type in the prompt will be what you're going to get. With Magic Studio, we had an option where you choose the style. Is it going to be animation? Is it going to be vintage look like? So it's like a different styles, different designs. Also, you have an option to change the aspect ratio with Magic Studio. Here, it's pretty random, but the results sometimes are amazing. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create something cool. So we're gonna ask DALL-E to create an electric scooter, okay, based on Tesla's car design, okay. And also we are going to see make it as realistic as possible for product prototype. Boom, let's generate and let's see what results we're going to get. With DALL-E, we're going to get only 2 variations of the prompt in terms of content. With Magic Studio, you're going to get 4 each time. Also, the credits that you're going to get with DALL-E are much less versus the credits you're going to get with Magic Media. So now, as you can see over here, we can still change the results by simply adding more inside our prompt as a text, but we can click on the image itself and we can essentially drag the edges so we can make it larger from one side to the other. The good thing that is, because it's generated from AI, it is not going to reduce the quality of the actual image. It's not like the usual JPEGs, okay? So now if I zoom out, guys, you will see that yeah, it is not perfect, it is not amazing. I would say it looks futuristic, but definitely not what I was expecting. I think probably if we did a little more description, and probably if we had a little more context towards the prototype, probably we could have a better results. But essentially, guys, this is how you are going to use the whole DALL-E with Canva, and this is how you can utilize the prompts. Learn from my mistakes and make even better content, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.